Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to cover something which is very crucial for someone who is running Facebook ads and using Hyros tool for attribution and tracking. I mean, when you are trying to scale your ad campaigns or optimizing to get a better ROS, it's always very powerful to have a single dashboard where we get the Hyros and Facebook data together, where you can view all the actionable insights at a single place. I mean, what I'm trying to refer is, if you see, Facebook ads can give you the basic ad metrics, but when it comes to attribution and tracking, so we need a powerful tool such as Hyros. And the current problem that we have is, we do not have many tools which actually integrates both the platforms in a single place, and which actually gives us flexibility to combine the data. So one of the solution that we found is we can actually integrate Looker Data Studio with Hyros data, and then we can bring the data from both the platforms into the Looker Data Studio and create a data model out of it, followed by the dashboard, which actually gives a view where we have both the platforms data, and users can get more actionable insights from the dashboard, and for their, it would greatly benefit their business. So in this video, I'm going to cover how we have integrated Facebook ads and Hyros in Google Data Studio, which is known as Looker Data Studio now. So there are two ways. If you go to the Hyros website, if you are creating the dashboard from scratch, you just have to click on this link. So when I click on this, you see, so it gives me a data connector for Hyros, and I just have to click on authorize, and it will ask me to give my email address. So I'll give my email address, and once I give my email address, it will basically load all the data from Hyros to Looker Data Studio. The other option is, let's say I have already made the dashboard for Facebook ads that I have, and I want to integrate the Hyros data now. So I have to click on the second link. If I click on the second link, then it will give me an API key over here, which is basically a deployment ID. So what I have to do, I have to go to the existing report that I have, and then I have to click on add data. If I click on add data, and here I have to select the option called build your own. So when I click on build your own, then here in this place in deployment ID, I have to paste that key that I got from the Hyros website. I mean, obviously you have to log in first. So I'll say validate, and it gives me this connector, and I have to select the report type. So let's say I want to get ad spend information. I'll say next. And after that, I'll say add. So the moment I do this, so you see I have the data now. So this is all my data coming from Hyros. So in this way, I can pull all the information that we have from the Hyros connector and create the report. So in this video, as you can see, I'm going to cover a case study that we have done for one of the digital marketing agencies that have contacted us to create a dashboard which actually takes data from Facebook and Hyros and gives them, meaningful insights so that they can make some powerful business decisions based on their campaign. So this is the overview dashboard, as you can see, where at the top we have the filters where they can filter out by different parameters: ad name, campaign name, date, campaign type. And if I come down, then this is basically the top ad based on the different parameters: total number of sales, CPA, unique CTR, CPM, amount sale. And this is basically a overview glance of ad return, ROS, ads acquisition, and ads acquisition for impression and CTR. So this is for leads and purchases. So this is basically giving me some trends. If I come down, then it is giving me the numbers for ad cost. And if I come down, this table is basically combining the data from Hyros and Facebook. This is the ad set name. Here, this is giving me the total number of leads, revenue, unique sales, cost per lead, cost per unique sales, ROS, and amount spent. And if you want to have additional metric, so you just have to click on this and you can see additional metrics as well, like CPM, unique CTR, etc. If I come down, this is giving me the campaign level information. This is giving me the ad level information. As you can see over here. And this is basically the demographic of my campaigns by gender. And this is giving me, basically the breakdown of the clicks made by a male, followed by female. This is giving me the trends of number of clicks. And this is the overview. So they were running multiple campaigns. So this is the overview which takes all the campaign in consideration. So coming to, let's say, podcast. So this is one of the other campaign that they were running. So as you can see, so I have the data for podcast. And these are all the numbers which are related to the campaign, which is podcast. And if I click on this, then all these are basically podcast sub campaigns. And again, I have different campaigns for engagement, different campaigns for weekly meetings. So yeah, this is one of the dashboard that we made combining the Hyros and Facebook ads data. And if you think you have a similar need and you want us to help you out, so feel free to reach us at Vidicop Limited.